Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen color and tone automatically. And this will really help you with your eyes at various times of the day, whether it's in the night, whether it's in the day, whether it's in the sun, whether you're outside, whether you're under bright lights, whatever it might be. This will help you. So how do you go about adjusting this automatically? You want to swipe down from the top on your phone, and you want to do a swipe down again to where you find these options, right? So you will see just under the section here where you have those lights and dark mode, you will see eye comfort shield. You can simply tap on that and that will put your phone into a nice adjustable light. But how do you enable this automatically? What you want to do, guys, is press and hold, and that feature, it's going to take you into the eye comfort shield setting. Go ahead and first turn on this feature, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find the enhance comfort. So as you can see, it says adjust your tone and contrast for more comfort viewing at night. So you can turn this on, and this will automatically work during the day, during the night, and work automatically for you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.